Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're working with Webflow and you're trying to remove a CMS collection from your project, but you keep running into confusing roadblocks or errors, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to safely delete a CMS collection in Webflow step by step, and you'll understand why each step matters so you can avoid future headaches in your projects. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the CMS panel. You can find that at the top left corner of your Webflow designer interface. Just give that CMS button a click. This will let you see all the CMS collections you've set up so far. Think of this area like the filing cabinet for your dynamic content. Everything in your CMS lives here. Now here's something important. Webflow won't let you delete a CMS collection if there are still items inside or if anything in your project like pages or elements is still connected to that collection. It's a safety feature to make sure you don't accidentally wipe out things you still need. So before you can get rid of the collection itself, you'll need to empty it out first. Go ahead and choose the CMS collection you want to remove. For example, if you've got a blog posts collection you no longer need, click on that to open it up. At the top of this panel, you'll notice an option labeled Select. Click this and then choose the name option. This is the quickest way to select every item in the collection at once. It'll highlight all the items so you don't have to go through one by one, especially handy if you've got dozens or even hundreds of entries. With everything selected, find the Delete option. When you click it, Webflow will most likely ask you to confirm. This is just an extra precaution since deleting CMS items can't be undone. Take a moment here. Make sure you really want to delete everything in that collection, and if so, confirm the deletion. This part may take a few seconds if you have a lot of items. Don't worry, that's normal. Now that the collection is empty, you can finally delete the collection itself. To do this, select the CMS collection one more time. You'll notice a gear icon, usually located toward the top right of the collection settings. Give that gear icon a click. It'll open up all the options you have for that collection. You might need to scroll down a bit, but look toward the bottom left of this panel and you'll see a button labeled Delete Collection. Click that and Webflow will prompt you one last time to make sure you really want to permanently delete the collection. Confirm your choice, and just like that, your CMS collection is gone. That's really all there is to it. Sometimes, especially if you have connected elements on your pages or dynamic lists, Webflow might warn you that those also need to be disconnected before you can delete the collection. If you get that message, just track down any elements that still use this CMS collection and remove or change their source. Take your time and check carefully. It'll save you a lot of troubleshooting later. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step process to safely remove a CMS collection in Webflow. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, just drop them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more Webflow tutorials and tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.